If you want to capture the attention of your audience while presenting a definition or problem or anything very important, simply change the font color as you speak. A PPT presentation is a file created using Microsoft PowerPoint that contains multimedia elements like text, images, video, and audio. By doing this, you will keep your audience engaged and focused on your message. So go ahead and learn this trick in this video. Select the paragraph by clicking 3 times successively. Add animation. Go to More Emphasis Effect. Select Font Color. Go to Animation pane. Go to Effect Options. Select the color which you like. Set the animation text by letter. You can change the delay between the letters depending upon your speed. I am setting it for 0.1. Now your reading animation is ready. A PPT presentation is a file created using Microsoft PowerPoint that contains multimedia elements like text, images, videos, and audio. Alternative method is there to highlight the important points. Let's learn about it. Select the paragraph with a triple click. Go to Add Animation. Go to More Emphasis Effect. Select Underline. A copper wire has a nominal strength of 300 megapascal. Its ductility is 77% reduction of area. Calculate the true stress for fracture. These kind of features will add on extra level of excitement and professionalism to your presentations. So let's make your message to pop up with this kind of amazing tool. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel for such kind of interesting videos.